Is topical estrogen the true anti-aging breakthrough for women that it claims to be? Well, we're going to be talking about that all in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing estrogen and the role it plays in aging of the skin, especially for you ladies. And this is an important video for you to know something about because while estrogen-based skincare products have been around for a while, they have been getting a lot of buzz lately. And because of the role that estrogen can play in the body as we age, both in a good way and a not so good way, we want to take a really close look at these types of creams and products and make sure that they're right for you. Now, if you happen to be new to my channel and new to me, I am Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, helping people find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet and not do them more harm than good. So if you're looking for a channel here on YouTube where it comes to skincare and someone who walks the talk, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Now, almost everyone knows that estrogen plays a critical role in human health, both for males and for females, but obviously more so for females. And it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and appearance of our skin, again, especially in the ladies, because as we get older and those levels of estrogen decrease, processes in the body that are estrogen dependent, like collagen production, maintaining that facial fat, and preventing bone loss in the face and other places, all very important factors in the way we age, both in our body health and the way we look, especially when it comes to our skin. Now, there are several types or derivatives of estrogen in the body that play these crucial roles. Estriol being one of the three, the other two, estradiol and estrone, all of these playing their specific roles in the physiological processes of the body. And while estriol is primarily associated with higher levels during pregnancy, it has also been shown to be very effective in topical preparations for treating the signs of skin aging. Studies have shown skin benefits for women for loss of elasticity, menopausal skin, wrinkles, large pores, dull skin, uneven texture and tone, and of course, hyperpigmentation issues. Maintaining proper estrogen levels both in the body and in the skin lead to stimulation of collagen production and also help protect the collagen that you already do have and those ever important elastin fibers that hold everything in place. It also helps to improve and maintain skin thickness, which can be beneficial in reducing the thinning of skin, which often occurs as we get older. Studies have also shown that estrogen provides an extra boost of UV protection against damaging effects of sun, leading to premature skin aging. And as I said before, it even helps to regulate melanin production, leading to less likelihood of age spots and hyperpigmentation patches. So how do you find and get these estrogen cream products? Well, they are prescription only, and as I said before, brands like Muesli are now beginning to offer them. I will put a link down below in the video description box for their website so you can check them out. But there is an over-the-counter alternative that's likely to surprise many of you, and it's vitamin E oil. Now, you can get vitamin E oil in a capsule and apply it to the skin. 400 to 600 IUs is an appropriate use for skin. However, vitamin E oil can be irritating to some folks that have sensitive skin. So it's good to look at over-the-counter preparations that already have these high levels of vitamin E in them so that when they are applied to skin, they're much more less likely to cause any sort of irritation. And again, I will put links down below to the products I recommend for this in the video description box. So what about use for men? Well, because of the complex hormonal profiles of both men and women, men's profile, of course, is much different. The things that go into collagen production in the male body are slightly different than they are in the female body. While estrogen does play a role in that, it does not play as significant a role as it would in a woman. So for men and for you ladies as well, it's really important to make sure that we get vitamin E from natural resources in our diet, because as I always like to say, that beneficial support in the diet for skin creates beautiful, healthy skin from the inside out. And for men, it's very important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, stay hydrated, wear your sunscreen. Well, that's for everybody. And making sure to include the consistent use of skincare products that contain ingredients like antioxidants, vitamin C serum, and retinoids like retinol or tretinoin. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful today. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Share it out, like it. It really helps the channel. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging when it comes to skincare products, be sure and check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me and the channel. I really appreciate you. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.